This is one of the roads reconstructed by the current government of Anambra State. The reconstruction started around August 2023 and was completed and inaugurated around March 2024. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we visited the Port-Harcourt Road in Onitsha. So the road you are currently seeing is the Niger Street Road leading you to Onitsha Main Market. Then here we are branching to the Port-Harcourt Road. You can access this Port-Harcourt Road either from the bridgehead going towards Niger Street, or you can access it from Premier Junction, or can as well access it from any part of Figure, LM Street and the rest of them. So this is the correct looks of Port-Harcourt Road. Like I said at the intro of this video, this road was nothing to write home about around 2022 2021 or thereabout, but around 2023 the road was flagged off and was handed over to Ferrotex Construction company. Ferrotex was the one that constructed the road, and the government also gave us a 20 years guarantee, and the road started in around August 2023 and was completed and inaugurated around the ending of 2024, I should say. So it was done by the current governor of Anambra State. After seeing the what people are passing through around here, they decided to reconstruct the road. So the road actually comes with walkways. I think some section has both side walkways, while some comes only but one side walkways with I think manageable drainage system. So barely 2 years of completing this road, you can see the looks of the road currently. The road has been covered with sand, is not being properly taken care of. You can see the condition of the road, very bad. Now upon our arrival to tour this road, we noticed that those walkways that the road comes with has been washed away. Some section of it, you won't even notice that there is anything like walkway around there. Like where we are currently are, you can't notice anything like walkway around this place. But after that, you gas street, you will start noticing presence of walkway. I should say a dying walkway around that Oga Street. After the Oga Street, you will start noticing them. So this is the current look of the Port-Harcourt Road, just barely 2 years of completion. So the road also, I think they also mounted the street light along the road, which for now I don't know if it is still functional, because I have not visited there recently in the night or towards evening, but I believe it will still be functioning. My major concern is the the walkway that did not even last up to 2 years and was washed away, and the current looks of the road. The road actually has not been washed away. Nothing has happened to the road. It's still in tight except the walkways and the current sand on top of the road. The last time I also showed you that Niger Street is almost looking the same thing with this particular one, almost the same thing. Sand has covered everywhere, they are not sweeping it. So I would love to hear your take concerning the this sand that we can find on every road in Anambra State. What is your take on it? Do you think we should allow our roads to be covered with sand like this, or they should at least be sweeping the road even if it is once a month? So let us hear your thoughts via the comment section. So along this road, you're gonna be seeing a lot of things. You're gonna be seeing a lot of refuse, sand that were packed along the road, maybe sand that you are brought out from the drainage system, or sand that some streets managed to scrape out of the road and pack it one side, and they are yet to take them out. And some of the dirties they brought out from the drainage system, and the bodies in charge are yet to come and take them away. You're gonna see everything along this road, and you also see the Oga Street, one of the worst road you can find along this area, which the government have refused to give attention. The last worst road we have around here is around that Bida road, Bida stroke Creeks road, heading towards Modebe Street. But recently they have started the reconstruction, which currently I don't know the level they are, if they have started asphalting the road or it's still the same way I saw it the last time I visited. So but anytime I have chance again, I will try my best to tour that Bidas to Creeks road, so you see the actual condition of it. The last time I showed you guys the road was very very bad, that keke or tricycle riders are finding it very very difficult to access those road. So this is the current looks of Port-Harcourt Road. Give us your own take via the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share the video to get to wider audience. So we are gradually approaching the Oga Street, which you are currently seeing. So this is the Oga Street. You can see the looks of Oga Street. This road has been like this for for years, for quite a number of years. The road was like this even before they started the construction of or should I say the construction of this Port-Harcourt Road. This one you just saw is taking you back to Oga Junction, and from here we are heading to the one that will take you to Premier Junction and every other axis. So from here you will noticing the presence of the walkway, just like I told you earlier. So this side has both side walkway. It has both side walkway, this side and the other side, but they are nowhere to be found, or maybe they are almost gone. So you'll be seeing them clearly. Once I shift a little bit, you will see everything clearly. So don't forget to share the video, give us your own take via the comment section while you continue with the rest of the video.
Eze obi mmanụ mo bia keneli mo na